Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to use lower third in your any video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. We already added few sample video clip in this project media section. Let's say this time for this example we add a sample video clip in timeline. Now I simply open my browser and then go to youtube.com and in search box this time I type lower thirds playlist. And now I hit on enter. Here we see a bunch of different results. Look at this. This playlist has 141 lower thirds. Let's open another one. This playlist has 13 lower thirds. Let's say this time we use this lower third. To use this one, at first we need to download this video. To download any type of YouTube video, I use 4K video downloader. Now I just copy this video URL and then simply hit on paste link. This software is parsing this video clip and this time I download this video in 1080p. And set destination folder desktop and hit on download. And yes, our downloading is now complete. And here it is. Now I just simply drag and drop it in this project media section. Alright, now to use this one, I just drag it in timeline and set my sample video clip under this lower third video and delete this audio track. Alright, now this time I just split the extra portion from this lower third video. Alright. And here it is. Now to make this usable, I just simply go to video effects and search for chroma key R. And here it is. Now I simply drag and drop it in my lower third video and expand this color, and using this pen tool I just simply select this green color. Alright. And this time we add a text in this position. To do this, in this timeline, I just simply insert a new track and insert text media. And this time I type unboxing therapy. And set text size in 20 pixels. And choose font American Captain. And now I resize it using this corner and set it right here. And now I close this one and scratch it like this and add a smooth fade in and smooth fade out. Alright, let's play this clip.
Some item that comes into the studio, which I'm like, now that is actually gonna blow their mind. But then I've used the statement in the past because I thought those things were what I would consider to be mind-blowing. We need something beyond mind-blowing. Now that said, I'm not certain that this is gonna blow
Awesome, right? So in this way, you can easily add different type of lower thirds in your video clip. Very easy, right? Thank you so much for watching.